No, so many film there, don't come on the road. When we go back, I'll go back in the next 5 minutes, so I'll make it happen, yeah?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another video. Basically this is a part 2 to what I did.
This can part 2.
I mean, it's still a loyalty test.
Okay.
Alright, so today I will be doing what is the name, babe?
Will your bros lie for you?
What's that? So basically our loyalty test man Jason friend them, him close friend them, but this one I'm not gonna call any, don't let me call anybody where, you know, up to date like with the videos, because we know some of them can pick them out, you know. So yeah, if we call nobody and them figure, then fine, we not catch them, you know, because I know really if it proves that them a liar or not. I just to see what them would have said. He might give me the person them for call, but this time I'm gonna ask different question. I'm gonna ask them like, Jason reach out, let me talk to Jason, you know. Everybody did ask me like why me did do it like that the last time, but when you give somebody a chance to tell the truth, then they'll tell it, because enough people are not liar. That even if you're a liar, that you pick up your friend. Like if me call you and say, Jason, did I talk to you upon the phone? I'ma say no if he never did I talk to you, because you ask me a question, a very straightforward question. But if me call you and say, Jason, did I talk to you upon the phone a while ago, I not believe, then you will say, whoa, Jason in a trouble. Like what me first say, you know, you get it? Let's get into this video.
Iconic smash.
Jason normally go down there, so yeah. I come because the last time I never did that here.
Turn it up.
Sorry, can't turn up no more.
Hello?
Smash.
Yeah.
Andrew, I can talk to Jason. Jason reach.
How can I hear you?
Him say him there over you. Him say him there over Smash.
I'm not there, my phone.
Alright, so I'm not come there from there. So over 1 hour in time, I say him there over Smash. Yeah. Me think him would have did that. I not hear. No, but me did I talk to him earlier and him saying they are Smash. My young one, all a reason. So me I say, through me I call him now, me not get him. Alright then. In the life here.
But you know, you know really.
May I apply pressure,
You don't apply no pressure, cause.
Alright, next one, I go apply pressure. Alright.
You see me, so put the
But
pressure.
therefore, you not eat that in that way.
No, but try, no?
Alright. Oh, I need the pan speaker, sorry. Sorry.
Hello?
Davai.
Yeah?
Good evening, Andrew. Jason reach me can't me call. Good evening, me call Jason, me not get him, but earlier when me talk to him, he saying they are Davai.
There?
Davai, you hear me?
Yeah, but you're low.
Oh, alright. So me did I call Jason, but me can't get through to him. But earlier when me did I talk to him, he saying they are Devoy. He and him a wall of reason. So me wonder if me could have talked to him.
Somebody else.
He tell me saying they are Devoy. I want Devoy. Me know you know.
No, you're sure it's not my name, guys?
Yeah, saying they are Devoy.
I like them there is on the talking to people. I'm not here alone, Mr.
Whoa. Alright then. So the what Jason would have even, you know what, cool, alright. Good boys. So far so good.
Make your call, Bruce. Bruce honest like me, you know. So mind sharp. Mind sharp. I'm gonna tell you say no.
So Bruce not Christian.
Me no know.
Bruce are
But
Christian.
before you call him, tell him say yo, oh, just make you know say yo, and me, him miss me have a link, but oh my god, in a film lane. And me hear some up there with one of my ex. Remember say my ex live in a Bruce lane. So two, pressure Bruce, make me hear Bruce I'll go and do. See if the voice will come. You know, but not that one.
Bruce a Christian, guys.
How you know that?
Me know Bruce give me Christian.
Hello? Good afternoon?
Afternoon, Bruce.
Yes?
Jason reach up there yet, him tell me say, me I try call him and me not get to him and he tell me say he did up there.
Who?
Jason, Andrew, sorry about that, it's Andrew.
Which of my place?
You know, me did I talk to him earlier, but now me I call him and me can't get him, but he tell me say he up a Bruce and him a go all a reason. So me there wonder if me could have talked to him.
I not see him, I don't know.
Him not come up there?
No,
Bruce, you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
So him not come up there, him tell me say him did up there, like me and him a talk 30 minutes ago, now me not get to him. And he tell me say he did up a Bruce and him a well a reason.
I think. I don't know.
Yeah, Bruce.
Alright then, thanks.
Yeah, Bruce. That's why I say pressure them. I'm afraid them supposed to lie for me.
Bruce and a Christian?
Bro, stop pressure Bruce.
Alright, Bruce, stop pressure.
Me know this start call me, you know.
Bruce saying I know what Jesus turn.
No, but remember him say, yo, you know in turn, I know, yo, yeah. I say
guys,
well, I know.
guys, I suggest even if you don't have a YouTube channel, still try this with a partner. You know, it's fun. I mean, if you don't have sense of humor, then you can mash up your somebody relationship. But
Can't speak. No.
Put one speed and Bruce stay the same place.
No. One speed there, yeah.
Hello?
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 One speed?
Hello?
Andrew, good afternoon, Andrew. I can talk to Jason, please. Him say him did the up there, but now me I call him and me not get him.
Jason?
Yeah, him say you and him did a whole a reason. But now me I call him and me not get him and me want to tell him to buy something before him come up.
Oh, you know something like that, you know? We're not too long move out there, you know?
So I just tell me say you and him a whole a reason.
Yo, listen up. Just go and just say man says, me and me up a yard all I read.
Alright then. No, it's all good. May I try to get back to him.
Alright.
That was my bad.
You think
That
I
was my
can't
bad.
give me a
No,
play?
no.
You think I can't give me a
No,
play?
that was my bad. Him catch on for me. Me accidentally say, Owen just tell me. Me accidentally.
You
Alright,
can't. May I make a call on them youngins them. Youngins me make a call, you know.
Alright, me hear what
Yeah,
Rika
chicken on
say.
my youngins them. Hopefully number out.
Me hear what Rika say.
Somebody call me already, you know. Bruce. So speed and Bruce pass. You kind of.
No, Windell.
Alright,
Me not get Rick, guys.
Alright, people, Windell my cousin. By the way. Him supposed to lie if he still there, but to him know angel like that, me don't want nobody feel afraid of angel, you know.
Freedom.
No, that's, me not call people you and him
They
tap
don't
on
want to
phone
lie
at
to
daytime,
wifey.
You know what I say? Me not call nobody me know say you and him dip on the phone at daytime or no.
Me and Windell, no?
No, but Windell know you. Windell used to there with yard.
Hello?
Windell,
Yeah,
good evening, Andrew. Me can talk to Razor. Him say him did come up there, but me did talk to him 1 hour ago. Now me not get him back.
Yeah, cuz! Yeah, cuz! all if you didn't know you could have failed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah, alright though.
Alright, yeah man, go.
Alright,
Alright,
later. Alright, quick you with Mikey, I say. Mikey, you gonna know yourself.
I just want him to believe you.
Press star to make it your
Alright.
tune.
Free up your line, free up your line. Oh, I got you.
Hello?
Mikey,
Yeah.
good evening, Andrew. I can talk to Jason. Him the same day over you. But now me call him and me not get him. I want him buy something for me.
Over me.
Yeah, over your house.
Let's see.
Alright then.
Alright.
So, oh, Jason tell me say you and him did their reason.
Me and him.
Yeah, because me and him did a talk and him say him a go over Mikey.
You hear me?
Yeah, Mikey. Wait there, which Mike? Now Mikey this from Longville?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Mikey.
I must dream that dream. I'm just wait.
But can't keep no one.
Alright then, Mikey.
You can't sleep, so dog. Yo, babe, look why this is one big loophole, you know.
Wow.
Hear your first, you say. He say him by you, then you just kill the conversation and say, okay. Then you say, then you tell you say, no, babe. You have to call and say, Jason did call and say, Jason did that same day over there. You can't give me phone and talk to him because I never
Alright.
get him. More you pressure them, you know.
Alright. I'm
Alright, you Mikey just wait, make talk all Ray.
Ray. One of them they see him play.
No, Mikey, just wait.
You gonna like say him we not sleep down there.
No, you just wait.
Alright, Ray. Ray,
Um,
Ray.
Call Ray.
We're sorry, but your call can...
No, Ray. Make out one more time because that normally happen when they on a call.
Yo, why you call them Virgin Farmer?
Please check the number and dial again.
Call Nicholas. Let me see if Bulldog will give me a piece.
Alright, let me see that.
See that?
So we are called just a friend named Nicholas. What you're a bulldog have to say?
Don't follow me. That's how we call him and we know why we call him.
So the
so.
bulldog in him.
Yo, you follow for she know man.
My name, Nicholas.
Yeah, this is a strange for you.
If you answer.
Let me take a call mash up after this. I feel like for me. I'm not act.
Good evening, Nicholas. Nicholas,
Yeah.
you hearing me?
Yeah.
Andrew,
Who?
good evening, you hear me? Baby,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
sweet. Good evening, Andrew, Jason's girlfriend. Me can talk to Jason. Him say him did I come by your house today.
No, I'm not here, Jason. I'm not fixing it, girl. I'm not looking.
No, him say and him did a whole of reason. So me I try call him to get to him, me not get to him. So they want if me could have talk to him.
Huh?
Him say and him did a whole of reason. Me did a talk to him 30 minutes ago, but me not get to him. Me want to try tell him to buy something to carry home. So him say and him did a talk. So me did try.
I'm not near him right now.
When he come back, tell him say me I try get to him here.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I ever that be, can you look like you never give up? Just make them say, yeah, Ray. Alright, who this smell?
Because it's life here do. Mash up. Who name mash up again? Oh, mash up.
Yeah. But no mash up now, I'm make a chicken. Even man, mash up now, I get chicken. And babe, don't slip up in the car, them man, I'm going to call smart, you know.
Sorry. I'm not
The whole of, me left all of them in that game, you know, so you can't just go run the pill up at the man.
Which
Them.
game?
That game there, PlayStation
What's
4.
the
Calm, man. Just slow the way that talk, baby, I said too much one time.
Alright. I chew, it's a mouthful for chew.
Yeah, just take it easy.
Mash up.
Huh?
Good evening, Andrew.
Mm-hmm.
Me can talk to Jason, please. Him same the round, but me not get to him.
Oh. No, so me left him there though, but me can't find the road. When me go back in the next 5 minutes, so I make it talk to him, yeah?
Me not hear you.
So me go on the road and I go back to the park. I did that. And next 5 minutes, I get back to it.
Yeah, tell him something I call him.
Alright.
Yeah.
See, a liquor come back there. I saw you for do it, mash up. Mash up Bruce, one speed, who else? Nick too.
Nicholas.
If you did pressure icon, so icon probably would have sent you for one different chapter. You still have to same way?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Could I make you call for
Go your Jason friend name it dog. Gone panines, you know.
Yeah.
So you know say anytime Jason do something like this, me just hold my corners. You
But
hear?
yeah. Call Russian music.
Music sit music.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well.
So call him Russian, you know.
Russian?
Yeah.
What else do me call him?
Where you call him?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, where you call him? Oh yeah, call him that then.
Oh, come. Next time I go call him, say I go wonder how me know that.
No, no wrong. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Alright, so this a
He
bad
love you, you know.
bone.
But don't take the slide from here. That's why I don't want to call a certain person, you know.
Bad bone, bad.
Hello?
Bad bone.
Hello?
Bad bone.
Who?
And the bad bone this?
No, wrong number, darling.
Alright then.
Yeah,
Really,
fine, man.
babe?
Well, miss that, somebody. Lady.
Oh.
Come on, man. I bleed in, man. Don't do that.
Hello?
Yeah.
Bad bone.
Yeah.
Good evening, Andrew.
England. Oh, what's up?
Me there now. Me can talk to Jesse, please. He send it the buyer, but me I call him and get him.
I call him and I get him.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know when I get him. He's not the buy me right now.
So how Jesse started me send it the buyer? Me not get that.
Indeed, they buy me, but you know they buy me now.
Alright
He's
then.
done that in the year.
Alright then, when him come back, tell him say me I try get to him, please.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah.
My dog, them have to live. Bow! My dog, them have to live. Yo, you see who the youth? That's you see who me call? Nobody no flap me. Nobody. Yes, no, Mikey flap me, you fret.
Alright guys,
My
so
dog, them have to live.
if you're watching this and you want female and you're falling in a predicament like this, please don't call
Don't call
your
your
man friend them. Please. I mean, no. And
Any-
everybody lie.
I know everybody lie, but let me tell you something. You see, me no lie, no. My friend know me no lie, no. But you see, if we get a call like this, me I go lie for them, you know. And the next thing, you see, if me know say me no lie, Dave, me nah give you my bridging just some. If in girl sound like say some wicked thing, better me say, oh, me no see me no. And she say, don't know you say the boy, me I say, alright. If you call and say, he say the boy, me same thing with them say. You know, saying go on the road when he come back. And you ever hear me say, oh, hold on, me have to go call you back here. And make up be nice on your head.
Wow.
That me, you me not say nothing about them.
Nails. Friend, them a call back your friend. Them a call him to say, babe, just call back.
Ah, we call that they can get the video.
Yeah.
Me not text me, but I tell them.
Yeah.
Yeah, me give Bruce a chance. Your man never come back urgent. No, I know say your man them take a relationship serious. I want to go and babe. I tell you. Yo, what are you doing?
Yeah, dear.
But there, dog.
Hey.
You know, say, I'm yard, me I go here now.
You know, say, here's your car, we do.
And I say what?
Ask you where they.
You wait till that.
I said, man, wait turn.
Yo, my brother, don't sell me out. Yeah, they do a loyalty test, so I tell her exactly who for call to see if they that sell me. Yeah, nobody not sell me out.
Y'all are liars.
No, don't you my friend them. Bro, respect here.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Boy, all me can say, my dog them have to live. Oh, my dogs them have to live. Yeah. Are you ready?
Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Watch him feel himself. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50k.
You know, say if you need call people for the same result, you know that.
I mean, they might say the
I
same
see a result, babe.
Yeah, you know, you have to do what you have to do for your friends.
Yeah, my friend, them loyal you.
But bye, guys.